channel.
Oh, Mama, the Congress of the People. Akena.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
The people, the sovereignty of the party, and the vision of a generation determined to build a
Peter Udon. Currently, I'm a councillor at the City Council, and I also double as Central Community-Based Services for the people of Lira City. I'm also aspirant for the mayor, Lira City's division in the forthcoming election, 2026-2031, and the ticket of Uganda People Congress. I am their flag bearer. Today, we are here at Senate quarters at the home of the late President Dr. Mobilization, and this is a place where our area member of Parliament, Honorable Jimmy James Michael Akena, who also doubled as UPC party president and also UPC flag bearer for the presidential elections 2026-2031, where some few days ago he was denied nomination by the Electoral Commission. So these are the supporters of Uganda People Congress who are gathered here to show their solidarity with the Uganda People Congress. These are members of the party who are unhappy about the decisions of the Electoral Commission. Electoral Commissions, it's the same commission who gazetted Honorable Jimmy James Michael Akena as the official party president of UPC. And later on, they denied him nomination to be in the ballot in this presidential election 2026-2031. Now, these people are showing their anger for what Electoral Commission has done. We are here for a fast prayer. We are here for a fast prayer. We're not here for demonstration. We are here to ask God to show us the way during this very difficult time. And it is upon, these are well-wishers. They're not actually called to come and gather here. They have come here to have a peaceful prayer, sending their problems to God Almighty to help them, show them the way. That's the reason why they are here. You can see them. These are our mothers. These are our supporters. You can see they are here. They have gathered all these places. They are here. They have come to show their solidarity and pray to God to guide them during this very difficult time. As UPC, our 40 years is ending this 2026. We are in the wilderness. We have suffered. We have suffered a lot. Many people are falling behind, but few will reach the promised land. I want to tell our supporters, this should not give us a lot of maybe saying we cannot make it. But I want to assure you, as members of the party, we are going to mobilize our people to vote for our flag bearers, starting from the lower level government to members of parliament. So I want to urge our supporters, let us remain calm and let us keep on mobilizing for all our flag bearers in the forthcoming elections. Starting from parliament, we need to elect all UPC flag bearers in all the constituency in this country. That will give us an edge. We don't care whether is given opportunity to be nominated or not. We shall keep on moving forward and electing and mobilizing across the country to ensure that people embrace Uganda People Congress. Uganda People Congress is the only party in this country who has transformed this country to a very high level. When you look at all the schools that we see today, most of them were constructed during UPC government. If you look at hospitals in this country where we live, all these hospitals were constructed by the Uganda People Congress when we were in power. So I want to call upon all Ugandans, you support all flag bearers of Uganda People Congress. I thank you so much. May God bless you. kana wurdo attack me dogoro chegere piwa da lego ni oba mi otike jo moga meti party me mi yo akare me ngi yo amiro ti wek mi warieko me wor nyim ona bo jimi tia ko me yot dangen a motere chwalo ni nino ni mi otun boru da ko bi entie lolle meneno ni e lobo chik duchu ame pen chik me Uganda miro ni mire ti da tie tiyu do mio ene tie ko ngola ame akati chi adek manu gina ma otia koro don nen one kero telo kene pota don Jome region gin tube da meeting meneno ngo amiro ti piena woro deployment no beratika nango aduong na ka cha na kopia tikere geni ya kino ka tikere jo ame pober ran wan Eto one petit ginoro kene ame wano tiju ame toro chik mano beda bila wa ame pola kare ka wano tikere peko wano bino gore ye me nyamo yora ngo ame tikere tikere peko ni eto ame tami yungech ni yo wadushu ame tia chung iruom me council me chake ping I division te wot na iruom me parliament chung ya wor nyim balor pe yo kenda ko bane amandong orima tero yu ko undong pe chung wano ti king utiu chung ite pot me chapa ching da wano me de ka tikere wor nyim apira tek awor macha members of parliament obiru penyu ni one kono aberu ningo eto members of parliament dushu electoral commission awor ma do yeni secretary general ranwa duong binu keto stamp mere ikombalo a members of parliament dushu akemo ame one chawa ni ticket tia duong don one to koro ngola ame court akatoka chekede kada ukatu ame ko bani Akena pa choye wano jollo eta kemo wa duong one would occupation kayera roma wano kun apia don ana kwa yani members me party uri chunga tek do chawa ni report me gore wa wano mi winge yu kien kane chan jo timongo jo rubero ko wandu tuye don gore ame abera tie won ko me party Simon opio kaka biro mi yo ngechere kuni be construct me party me tiping awene kire kwena wati mongo obedi ye pe wana do kopo ni are mo do akopo ni mumbe mo do chawa ni anakwa yo ni one for by kan wana ker dok chen pachiwa ka wana dok wana mi yo ngech awene kire kwene me wana obedi ye atamu do ke check ama atamo ni ana le keru itiatini na poyo ba wa pengea ania luo Denish Peter udon dul ame atia konya ko re matbeti kere party aloro pero ni kalawa uwor kabelo pata na miro yen uwor yen da doge chawa ni atia chung mebelo meya melira cities division melo uni dua mutabe kera kwa yangi pe akemo lo wa ko ni are mo ba mom tikito akemo mi patim ngo ayu UPC
Chik me lao adaro ko wokiti igweto dunguti balane mo mono no bi yo kwena kelken ko popul petie awan mir tim mo mane sini inga du chewang ila du Uganda du na wilo buduju yoda ko bi ngomi jo ge Akena po choye mo mane eto manni gine wa timi chawan le wan le ka tinni ko pro wilo buduj cheluni du tu wori wilo buduju mo mane so ikirine yuta kemuni ko mi diberi na nyanga man mo so mena wa timuni oromo de nyani utimu ben yo unu kela kelo ko pachu kia passion me paris ye amedang kop duju amedia ko bere dunu bo kia passion ne paris wu mudi wunyi ye mama ne an lo ni tom se do kela pu do apol ngia nyang men ko pol petie a chungo wang betiene ngari gine na amede to kare na puyu
Ginora me ame de petie. En ne ja kwa yo ni. Angia nywa tie. Yo moga me yigi yom. Kum gina mo tije ni. Dan ka wan dok kin pati duchu lok gi do lok me wa yi wa. Eta kwa yo ni. Wan to nyut akema wa ikom gi. Wan okworo ikom jo amenuo. Oker me tung kawangi ame chal gi ti patient. Wan opun gi kunacha. Yogi duchu wan pobo le kwi. Wa pobo ni goto ba ma okelo wu. Duok wache la chiel kaka da romo te bu nenu ka tike kun gara chiel. O ba mi okuma tai.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.